What's going on today, folks? On this good old day. Hope y'all doing okay today. I just want to touch bases with you guys. I know I ain't been around in a while. Say peace. Hope y'all guys is doing pretty good out there. Wish y'all my peoples a happy day. Make sure my peoples is in good high hopes, high spirits. Today is a beautiful day. You know we got to get out of here when it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So basically, just trying to get us a daily walk in. Ain't really got too much to say. We just want to show our face, see what's happening. So every day we coming out, we trying to say what's up to the world. Say shit, we ain't really into high hopes. The motherfucking stock market ain't really showing us. It ain't doing too good. It's a bear market, but it might be a good opportunity. Shit to say farewell to the bull market until the bears come back on. Everybody out here chilling, so it's good just to be back around. You know what I'm saying? All y'all's in my prayers and my hopes to be going on. Shit, we gotta get us a 10 today. You know what I'm saying? So get everything popping, get it going. So we just want to say, make sure you getting a good opportunity into some of them stocks, dollar cost average in. You know what I'm saying? They say we might be in a recession, or it might be a recession, nobody knows. But some prices are good. You don't know how much they gonna fall, keep falling, but it seems like if you keep a good eye out on some of the stocks, that all the stocks ain't really just tumbling. Like some of them is tumbling, but not all of them are tumbling. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you might can get dollar cost average in, and you know, like the Apple stock. You know, I don't want to say too much because they probably be figuring out what you're gonna do and drop them out. But Microsoft stock, Walmart stocks, just different stocks. You know what I'm saying? That's coming down. Crypto is down. How low can it go? We don't really know, but you know, you gotta have long money. So if you've been saving your money, and you know what I'm saying, you know, putting it to use, you know, it's good to be in cash right now, but you need to have some of that cash, put them in some of them good stocks as they fall down. You know what I'm saying, catch it, but they gonna come back up. Hopefully they come back up. You know what I'm saying, but all in all, we gonna say shit. If you know, they keep saying it ain't been bad as it was and since the 70s and 80s and 2008 and all that, but since them times the stock market has boomed, it's been running up. So if them times come back again, you know what I mean, if it'll do a repeat, time repeats itself, then you got a good opportunity to get in the game. You know what I'm saying? So you know, shit, be patient, stay focused, stack you up some cash. You know what I'm saying? You always got to stack that 20% up. So basically you can say, well, I'm going to put shit 5% or 10% of that 20 into some investments, ETFs, energy plays, oil plays, you know, just different plays that's going to keep rising over time. You know what I'm saying? We really kind of, I would say we sophomores in the stock market, man. We made some profits. It's been going down, but I ain't been getting too discouraged by this stuff. As long as you can, you know, if you ain't getting no margin, you ain't getting no margin calls. If your money, your money. But don't sell at a loss. You know what I'm saying? It's only a loss when you sell. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and you know, they be saying all these plays, but right now they like, you know, it's kind of like some magic wonders is happening. They trying to fool you over here, but they doing something over there. So beware. We in a new age of like this technology world, family. So things is getting, you know what I'm saying, they doing something. We don't know what it is, but if it's for the best, if it's for, you know, You just gotta kind of stay focused and keep your eyes on the prize. Make sure you're getting cash in. Make sure you buying some of these stocks in your portfolios, just tucking them like real estate. You know what I'm saying? When the housing market crashed, people ain't just selling their houses at a loss. They keeping their houses. Like back in the day, all these houses that they had, rent, they okay. And then look at this time, rents raised up, so it paid off when you know what I'm saying, doing what you gotta do. You know what I mean? So I would say shit, just stay focused. Keep your cash on hand. Just, grab you some of these good stocks, these good plays while they going down. And shit, just stay focused, my nigga. Excuse my language, but, it's all in our benefit to win, no matter what it is. You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Stay focused on the Lord. And keep God in your eyes. And you know what I'm saying? Things will be good. As long as you got the Lord on your side, it's gonna be all gravy, my nigga. So just stay focused. And shit, we gonna holler deuces at you. Peace.